Unlocking the secrets of two-dimensional space? Ever wondered about the world that exists on a flat surface? Get ready to dive into the fascinating realm of two-dimensional space. We'll explore its properties, shapes, and how it differs from our everyday three-dimensional world. Imagine a piece of paper. That's essentially a two-dimensional 2D space. It only has length and width. There's no depth or height to it. Think of it like a flatland where everything is confined to a plane. In this world, creatures can only move forward, backward, left, or right. Up and down simply don't exist. 2D space is defined by its two axes, the x-axis, horizontal, and the y-axis, vertical. These axes allow us to define the position of any point using coordinates. Every point in 2D space can be described using an x-y coordinate pair. This system is fundamental to understanding geometry and spatial relationships. Lines, shapes, and figures are all constructed within this framework. They are defined by their relationships to these axes and to each other. Squares, circles, triangles, and rectangles are all examples of 2D shapes. Each has unique properties and formulas for calculating area and perimeter. A square has 4 equal sides and 4 right angles. Its area is calculated by side arc side, S2. A circle is defined by its radius, the distance from the center to any point on the circumference. Its area is PR2. The biggest difference is the absence of depth. Our world has length, width, and height, making it three-dimensional, 3D. In 3D, we can move up and down in addition to left, right, forward, and backward. This extra dimension allows for volume and more complex shapes. Think of a cube versus a square. A square is flat, while a cube has volume and depth. 2D space isn't just a theoretical concept, it has many practical applications in our daily lives. Computer screens, paintings, maps, and blueprints are all representations of 2D space. They allow us to visualize and interact with information in a simplified format. Video games often use 2D or 2.5D, a pseudo-3D environments to create engaging experiences. These environments are carefully designed within the constraints of 2 dimensions. Geometry in 2D space focuses on the properties and relationships of shapes and figures. It involves concepts like angles, lines, and area. Understanding 2D geometry is crucial for fields like architecture, engineering, and computer graphics. It provides the foundation for creating and manipulating objects in a virtual or physical space. From calculating the area of a room to designing a building, 2D geometry is essential. It's a fundamental tool for problem-solving and creative expression. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of two-dimensional space, exploring its properties, shapes, and applications. Now it's your turn to explore further. Dive deeper into geometry, experiment with drawing 2D shapes, and consider how 2D concepts are used in the world around you. Subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Leave a comment below sharing your favorite 2D shape, and click the link in the description to access free 2D geometry worksheets. Let's continue learning and exploring together.